G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts for the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Friday the 7th of September. Mario Draghi's much anticipated plan for the EU saw a volatile session today, but with the euro currently sitting just below 2-month highs and the market seemingly reasonably happy with the outcome to buy unlimited amounts of bonds up to 3 years duration with a view to bringing down the borrowing costs of the indebted EU nations, including Italy and Spain. The focus is now going to turn towards the non-farm payroll and US unemployment data later on today. Expectations there for 125,000 jobs to have been created, and the unemployment rate to stay unchanged at 8.3%. So we've got the euro at 126.30, just below the 126.50 high. Cables at 159.40. The dollar Swiss 95.30 and dollar yen's at 78.85. Dollar yen got bought up quite sharply as safe haven demands receded. Got up to 79, the figure, met good sellers up there, and overall stays within the 78 to 79 range of recent sessions. Looks as though it could go a little bit higher, but I don't think we're going to see anything really at all, and it'll be the non-farm data that pushes the currencies around next. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both rallied in line with the other risk assets, and in doing so relieved their recent oversold conditions a little bit. We've got the Aussie at 102.80 and the Kiwi at 80.15. The Aussie did touch 103, but met some good sellers there. But the momentum does look a little bit higher still, and it wouldn't surprise me to see the gap filled from last Friday's close to Monday's opening up to 103.20. So it should be fairly quiet in the next few hours anyway. We've got until the non-farm payrolls, after which it'll be fairly volatile given the anticipation of QE3 at the next FOMC meeting, and the data later on today will give us a bit of a clue as to what might happen there. But that's really about it for today, though. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all today. Have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Cheers.